African capitalism and money. People are selling and making money, and we are here, and we're trying to participate and support these businesses. And I'm loving every second of it. And we're buying fish, we're gonna cook prawns, and we're gonna make a feast tonight here in Africa. And then we're going back to the beach for hopefully tonight. Look. What's she say she want for her?
I love this show. Not Joe. These women are hilarious. They are like the flies for work.
Coconut
water. What do you call those girls? What do you call them?
Kayayo. But we're here and we have who's supporting us right now?
We have a lovely Kayayo. Listen, they gonna make money any way they can make money here, and I love it.
And that's capitalism and what we've been talking about. But the most important thing to remember is we want to support all of that ecosystem and we want to contribute to all of it. So if we can spread our money and have maximum impact, that's what we intend. Alright, what's next, man? Where can we get a beer? Alright, coconut water. You get coconut water, I'm getting a beer. Help me find that.
Have you tried something you can?
Drink on the street?
Oh yeah, you can.
It's soon, but I'm going to find a beer somewhere.
Yeah, we look around for
We have no coconut water.
Oh,
You going to sip it out of the coconut? Alright, get mine and sip it out of the coconut too.
How much did they give you?
That's an Africa ever tasted sweet water that's fresh coconut market.
No, it tastes better than the coconut in America.
You talking about the coconut or the coconuts? There's some fucking coconuts at 1600. Quicker than you have right now. This fucking shit up. Blood clot. You told my man where we are?
Yeah.
He's coming up?
Yeah, this station.
We gotta go back out the same way we came though.
Oh, you know what? When you come pick him up, then we continue. We'll look for our way.
Is he far away? No, he's down the street. He's at the bank at the bottom of the hill.
Okay, then he'll come down here.
He'll walk up and find us. In water.
This goddamn stomach.
Hey, mommy, what are you opening at?
I'm about to make a move.
So I have been in one of these vans, so have you?
I have not.
Well, what are they?
In Jamaica, a jitney bus in Jamaica, you're right, huh?
So why do you think they're here? What are they for, do you know?
Well, I'm assuming that this area here with all these vans and transportation, this is the nerve center. It brings people, both the sellers and the buyers here for commerce. It's a part of the ecosystem of the here. To make money for what people sell.
Yes, so I think what we're finding here is people will travel.
We'll travel.
Unlike America, where people want you to come to them, these people are traveling.
And you got to call DoorDash because you got to have it right away. Oh, I need some toothpaste. You call DoorDash. Ain't no DoorDash in Ghana. You come to the market and you'll find it because it's here.
Everything's here.
And you just keep grinding, right?
Oh yeah.
But you know, the one thing about the vans is, I'm gonna tell you, I'm not trying to be broke down inside.
Joe, they not gonna. You know what?
Hey, look.
I'm not gonna. I got more trust in the vans than I do some of these cars I get in.
Oh no!
But listen, when you get
know,
in the
I get
van,
my big ass in the black seat. It's hard to get my feet in the door, buddy. I gotta do contortion. I'm gonna be a contortionist to get in and out of that motherfucker.
Joe, listen, the van ain't nothing on the inside. It's a shell.
Yeah, yeah.
No seat.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
all metal.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm telling
Nah,
you.
hey, look, it's also 10, 12 people.
You see, I done this in Mexico.
Richard is calling.
We gotta get you one of them vans.
3, 2, 1, ready? Go. So we're here with a dynamic brother, a friend of mine. So when I came on my first trip to Ghana in February, I was thinking in my mind, do I need to have security? Do I need to have somebody that got my back? So my brother here's a policeman. Justin, the man that fucked up. Okay, you ready? 3, 2, 1. So when I came in February, security or not, so the man in the building said, look, we got a police officer that can roll with you every day. So the man had his uniform on, and everywhere I went, he was my bodyguard. We went to clubs, and look, he drank as much as I did, but he was still on duty. Every time I got up to go somewhere and get giddy-headed, he's having a beer and champagne and more drinking, and he followed me. You all right, boss? Come on, let's go. So he took care of me. So Richard, tell him people, why is he here?
Accra is very safe. I would encourage each and everyone to find time to visit Ghana. It's a very lovely place and we love it.
Come on.
Wait, while the recording question, what does it mean when you do it? What does that mean?
I don't know. Probably just some kind of sign or something.
I didn't see that. Some women do that?
They are trying to get his attention, so I told him.
Sometimes people are trying to get your attention.
Yeah, so they're giving you all the.
Okay.
They ain't doing that to me. I must be too old, too fat. But it's okay, because we're here and our day is just beginning. We bought about 6 pounds of fish, shrimp, got some vegetables, man, jollof rice. We're gonna make a feast tonight. We're gonna put it on camera when we make it.
Yeah, man.
The only thing we need to do is find some jerk seasoning, but I can't find jerk in this country, so that tells me there's a reason we can impart it here, because they're gonna love the flavor.
Come on.
Give it to him. God bless you.
I've been to
Yeah, man. I beg you. We'll help you, brother. Come here.
Wait.
Oh my God, you should have
I want
recorded
to
that.
help, so we want to help.
Oh my God.
Joe is great, man. Joe is
That was
great.
hilarious.
All right. So listen, today time is just flying by. We've got a lot to do, and we only got 48 so we would smoke in the band.
But listen, Tom don't exist here.
I know it does, but
Tom
you know where time exists? At the motherfucking airport.
I remember you. Yes,
I cook a bit dinner. I cook a bit
Mama, eh?
I'm from America. From Ghana. Where in Ghana you from? Togo? Yeah. How far from here? I'm not Nigerian, but my great ancestors are Yoruba. The Yoruba tribe from Nigeria.
I love you.
So we're trying to learn about this market. How long have you been coming to this market? They think, but no, I'm saying how many years you've been coming here to do business? The dollar was 15 cities in February, it's only 10 cities now. So hard. You don't want to spend this much. Wait a minute. What are you selling? What are you selling? Well, hold on. You got to talk to the lady about that. I can't wear this stuff. You talk to the lady about that.
Come.
She won't say something here.
That's not nice. 50 Ghana. I'm not giving 50 Ghana. Here I give. 30 CDs. Okay?
God bless you.
All right.
May God bless you.
Take care of yourself, okay? When I come back, I'm going to say hello to you next time I come to you, okay? I won't buy none, but
Baga.
you know what I learned yesterday? Don't take pop on me.
The curtain, no. I love you.
Let's roll, man. Let's roll. We're gonna go. So we're not going to get this way right now. We got to get the doors. We got to get to the beach. We got to get to the beach. So I'm going to ride and season the fish and everything, and then we're going to get on the road to the beach as soon as possible. Okay? See that? Yeah. Did she stick her tongue out at you? No. Hey, get yourself, brother. Yeah, so we're going to, I got to go see the fish. We're going to make a quick, I'm heading back to Old School. Drop my stuff in my business side. Okay? Whatever equipment we need, we can figure it out. Right there. Okay, we'll see you there. You know where we're going, right? On the body, with the doors, and when we get there, look even in the top. Wait, all right, this is what we do that too. We're trying to leave America.
Okay. Go on.
Ghana. Yeah.
I love Ghana. I love it.
God is good.
You have to work even harder.